Alright, so we're making dinner. I don't feel like going live, so I figured we'll just do a little video for y'all tonight. Alright, so we got some chicken here. This is already pre-seasoned. This is a little chicken breast. We're gonna cut them up in little strips, and then we're gonna fry it. I'll be right back when they're all cut up. Alright guys, and I got my assistant here, Jamari. He's gonna help us cook today because he's wanting to learn how to cook. So I'm just going to get all the chicken that I seasoned. I just added a little bit more seasonings to it. So we're gonna put it in the flour, the egg and the flour, and I got breadcrumbs here as well because we're gonna do 2 different styles of fried chicken. I don't know why I'm talking with my hands. Leave me alone. Guys, so to my flour mixture, I'm going to be adding sazon. I like to add the sazon to the flour. And then I like to add a little bit of adobo. Just a little bit. And then I like to add a lot of black pepper. Just like that. And you're gonna mix it. It's all ready. Guys, I got my assistant here. Go wash your hands real quick. Hold on, he has to wash his hands. Give me a second.
Watch, I'm using soap.
Hey guys, all right, grab a piece of chicken.
This is disgusting.
Dump it in the egg.
Flip it.
Yep. Okay. Now pick it up. Let it all drip out. All right, put it in the flour.
This is disgusting.
Don't cook with your boys. All right, flip it one more time. All right.
Alright, now what do I do?
We're gonna just leave it in there. Do another one. Just grab it. It's okay. Dude, you gotta move a little bit faster than this. Aren't you hungry?
I'm hungry. It's just, this is disgusting.
Okay. If you don't want to touch it, then you can do it like this. And then you flip it over like that.
Oh, you got flour. There's some little tiny piece in there somewhere.
Yeah, I found it. It's right there. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 in here. Okay. Now we're gonna let the grease get hot. Hey guys.
Alright, what do I do? I
Just put it in the top. Back up though, because it's grease. It may be hot. Yep. It's ready. Woo! I'm gonna add the chicken. I don't want Jamari to do this part.
Oh, that ain't gonna explode. What am I thinking? Nah, I don't think.
All right, now we can add. Now we can do more chicken.
Let's go.
So let's put this one in the egg. Let's put some in the egg.
This is mine.
Here, come on. That's
Wait,
Dad's piece of chicken. Are you serious?
Are you?
Come on.
Come on, I'll just flip this one because that one I can't do yet.
Oh, my nose is itching. Uh-oh, people saw that.
There you go. I'm gonna keep doing it. He's telling you to eat them. There you go. Where's the flour?
Hi, baby.
Oh crap, meant to come.
Here, grab. I can't grab you right now, honey. Don't go on my hand. That's caca. You love me no matter what, don't me, huh? This is nasty. No, just kidding. Here.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, stop the video.
That's how it is.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna add some paprika to the chicken. I like to add this for color. It just looks so pretty. And then you guys can't even see it. Love that. Okay, anyway. Alright, then we're gonna add a little bit of the garlic powder. A little bit of garlic powder. And then a little bit of the onion powder. Okay. And then, of course, olive oil.
So we make it first. Breadcrumb.
And then that's it. Because the sazon is already in the chicken and it's in the flour. Alright, so now we're just gonna let this do its thing. And yeah. Guys, I just flipped it. How's that looking? Tell me that almost freaking fire. Fire. It smells amazing too, you guys. Alright, so this is the chicken. It is getting ready to be flipped one more time. Because we want that shit crispy and crunchy.
I want it crispy.
Okay?
Like Krispy Kreme. Crispy. The crispy. Y'all want a big one like that one. Look at that. Oh, yeah, those look good. Those look good. Hey, they look busted. Look at that.
Yeah. Hello! What's wrong with you?
Girl, what's wrong with y'all? Wrong with you right now? Y'all
Guys, I just flipped them one more time. I keep saying one more time. But I like them a certain way when I'm cooking them. And then they're done. Like, just a couple more minutes, these are done. And I just like to make sure that the inside is cooked all the way. That's why I flip it so many times, because I don't want no raw meat. Ugh. They're done. Jamari is going to put them on the plate with the new powder. You could have just left it on the counter. But it is here. That way you don't have no chance of dropping it, you know? You can kind of move it a little faster. Yeah, there you go. So.
This one is the last one.
Alright, now we're gonna do another batch. Okay, you guys, so Jamari is gonna take over from here. He's gonna make 3 more of this batch kind of style, and then we're gonna move on to the breadcrumbs.
And then we're gonna see which one's
So give 2 more, and then put it in the flour.
There you go. One. Let's put in the egg. And then. And now, hold on. I'm sorry, I didn't. Put in the egg, and then put in the flour, and then shake.
Still move.
Alright, we got really 2 big ones, so I don't think like be able to fit anything.
Ready for it? Put it in the pan?
Yeah, alright, y'all, we're gonna put this in the pan. We'll see you in the next one.
Okay, I'll do it. I don't trust the kids with the oil. We need 1 more.
Just one more.
Where? You only got 2. Let's do 1 more. Alright, let's season these ones. I'm gonna season these a little bit. I like to always season them a little bit extra because I'm fat. Right, ready? Alright, so we did adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. That's what we're doing, okay, you guys? You can season it however your heart desires. That's all.
And then we're gonna have 1 more.
I don't care.
After this, we're gonna do this one.
Yeah, after this batch, we're gonna do the breadcrumb ones. The breadcrumb ones are like good as hell. They remind me of my mama, because my mama, she always made the breadcrumb ones. Alright, so we're gonna add some of this butter, garlic, and black pepper. None of my seasonings are in there. Yes, like you guys. I did add a little bit. I did add 1 extra piece, and then I did add some butter to this. I like to add butter because I'm unhealthy, okay? And it just tastes so good. And I know this isn't real butter. Leave me alone. Alright guys, so for this batch we're gonna do breadcrumbs. Alright. A little more. That should be good. If we need more, we can always add more. Alright.
And now we add the cherry balloon. And now we're gonna start doing
Guys, so I'm gonna go make the noodles really quick and Jamari's gonna take over. He's gonna put same concept. So your egg and then the breadcrumbs. He's gonna do the breadcrumb batch now.
Alright, this is chicken. Let's add it to the egg. Alright, looks good. Alright, now this is different. This is breadcrumbs. So I don't know if we can do the same, but let's keep cooking it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. That's the difference between it.
Move on.
Alright, and then we got one done. Oh, that looks good. Let's do another one. Looks like one chicken. Flip it. Add it to the thing. Let's flip this one. Alright. We got two done. 1, 2. Alright, we got two done. Let's do one more before we end this. Oh, we got a big one. Alright, we got one big one, y'all. Let's do this. Flip it. Let's try it. And then mix it. And now we're gonna flip it. Mix it. Alright, then that should be.
Alright, tell them we're gonna add it to the thing. You'll be right back.
Alright, we're gonna add it to the thing. So we just added more breadcrumbs. Now let's mix some more. Got one. Alright, this.
I'm just gonna throw the rest in here, okay? So I can wash this bowl. Get this out the
We got
way.
3 more to do. Add some breadcrumbs. Shake it. And then we flip it over. Shake it on this end. So cook this. Let's flip it. We got 2 right here. Now we have to just make 1 more. Actually 2 more. I lied, y'all. This one. Flip.
No
Alright.
more.
And
He
then,
wants that chicken.
and then,
Good.
and then we flip this. And then, alright, now we got 3. Let's do 1 more. It's just a little tiny one. Add it to the breadcrumb. Shake it. Flip it. Shake it again. And this is now done. Now we have no more chicken. She's flipping them right now. And we're going to do this batch next. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
Guys, this is the breadcrumb version. Look at that, bro. It looks so good. Like, it's so crispy, crunchy. Alright, I'm gonna add the rest of these. Alright, I'll wait till these are done. I'm gonna flip these one more time. It's not burnt, you guys. It's just because I was cooking the other pieces of chicken. So, yeah, it's not burnt. I'm sure it's not. That's flavor, okay? That's flavor. Alright, now we're taking this out. I'm just going to put this together. You can clearly see the difference of the breadcrumbs and the flour ones anyway. I'm going to leave this one in here because he's thick, okay? He's a thick motherfucker. But I need to hurry up and go through it. So this one need to hurry up. I'm scared to put it together. That's done. Now we're gonna add all of these. This should be done. This
are a little bit smaller, so these should be done in minutes.
Alright, these are going to be cooking.
We're gonna flip the chicken. Or the fried chicken. I messed up one. You guys, I'm good. We got one. Minutes and then this will be done. The fried chicken's almost done. We'll see how it all turns out. Guys, these are about to be done. A couple more minutes. We're just waiting on it to get a little bit more crispy, crunchy, and then we're waiting on the noodles. So these are done. I'm taking them out. That one looks so good. It's not burnt, you guys. It's not burnt. It's the skin from the flour. It's not burnt.
Let's make, I gave Angel a little piece of the breadcrumb one and then a big piece of the flour. Now we're going to get him some noodles. We ran out of vegetables, okay? So leave me alone. Anyway, so this is the dinner tonight. Hopefully, Angel likes it. How's the chicken, babe?
Let's go. Usually seen the
Scale of 1 to 10.
Like a 2.
I ain't never cooking for your ass at Kim. Is it good, Juju? Is it good?